Hey everyone! We just arrived at the south rim of the Grand Canyon. We were going to attempt to do the Bright Angel Trail, which you actually hike all the way down into the canyon and back, but it's snowy, icy, and muddy. But we are going to opt out of that for today because of the conditions and check out the #1 trail in the park, which is the South Kaibab Trail to Ooh-Ah Point. So we're walking over to the visitor center now. We have to take a shuttle over to the trailhead, and then we're gonna hike on down. Some of you may know that we actually got married at the Grand Canyon in 2018 at Lipin Point. Unfortunately, it is way too snow covered for us to get there today, but we're gonna take a quick little pit stop at Mather's Point and then catch the shuttle over to the trailhead.
No matter how many times you come here, it's like seeing it for the first time all over again. Welcome to Mather's Point.
This is our first time using micro spikes. We're definitely gonna need them. Here we go. This trail is 1.8 miles. It's out and back with 685 feet of elevation gain on the way back up. And it's actually ranked as the #1 trail on all trails. So this should be a pretty epic view when we get to the end. I'm not sure how well you could see it, but those are the switchbacks that we have to take on the way down. So very thankful for the micro spikes right now. They're kind of saving our lives. But wow, these views are incredible so far.
A little bit windy, but still not too bad.
Yikes! I have to say, these micro spikes are an absolute game changer. I'm so thankful we have them on because we'd probably be sliding into the Grand Canyon right now, but these make it so much easier to hike, and we are loving this trail so far.
You can always tell when Michelle's excited to see something her pace picks up by about 0.5 miles an hour. And here I am trying to keep up with her, not fall.
It is March 6th today. It's about 30 degrees. It's really windy right now. So it's, woo, I almost fell. It's a little chilly, but we are loving this trail so far. I'm actually kind of happy that we didn't do the Bright Angel Trail because this one is pretty epic.
So we have officially made it to Ooh-Ah Point. And it is absolutely incredible.
Greetings from Ooh-Ah Point.
So this is Ooh-Ah Point, and let me just tell you, it is worth every step. It's not that long of a trail, and with the micro spikes, it was pretty easy.
2 thumbs up. We are making our way back up right now. We have 685 feet to make it back to the top. Gary busted out the poles, so he's crushing it right now. This trail definitely exceeded our expectations. These views are amazing, and it's just so cool to see the Grand Canyon with snow. We just made it back to the switchbacks, so now it's straight uphill from here. We're getting a good leg workout today. Those are all the switchbacks we have to climb to get back to the top. Getting that good leg workout.
This is too cool.
All right, we just took the shuttle back to the visitor center and made it back to the car. I have to say our plan B turned out pretty amazing because we absolutely loved the trail. It was phenomenal.
According to my Garmin, it was 2 miles round trip with 728 feet of elevation gain. We did it roughly in about an hour and a half.
Not too bad. Now we are off to Sedona, so many more adventures are coming soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next adventure.